Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to delete a Discord server. So let's start. First, open your Discord application. Go to the server you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this newly made server. What you need to do is click this drop down button beside the server name, and here click on server settings. In this page, we need to scroll down, and at the bottom, you will see the option to delete server. Let's click on that. After that, a prompt will appear asking if you are sure to delete the server, and that action cannot be undone. If you change your mind in deleting the server, you can click cancel. But if you already want to delete it, type the server name inside this bubble. Make sure that you type the server's name correctly in order to successfully delete it. For example, I will type random letters and click delete server. You can see that I can't successfully delete it because I entered a wrong server name. So let's type the name correctly and click delete server. Wait a few minutes and now the server is already deleted. Remember that you cannot delete a server if you are not the owner of that server. For example, I will use this server. As you can see, I don't have the option to see the server settings. So because of that, I can't delete the server. If you are only a member of the server and you don't want to be in that server anymore, you can just click the leave server option. Just press the leave server button and you'll be free from that server. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to delete a Discord server, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.